I'm not scared of like things in the night. I'm more scared of a hobo attacking me because, you know.
Okay, I had to remove the audio. It's too much echoing in the dungeon. It's also scary down here, and I don't want to scream like a baby if something weird happens. So, let's start. As you can see, this cast iron pipe is connected to the rain gutter and connects to the sewer. The old leaded ceiling is coming apart. And yes, I said lead. And this pipe is antique. You may be wondering, who cares about a broken sealant? Well, if you like bad smells or having pet roaches, I guess you don't have to care. I bought this ceiling from Amazon and it says it's for cast iron pipes. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's give it a try. Alright, so let's remove the old sealant. Done. That was easy. Actually, it took a bit of a time removing the old other parts because it was really stuck in there. But like they say, having a hammer and a screwdriver can solve all problems. Let's get our iron brush and try to clean up the rust a bit so the ceiling can connect to the pipe better. It's like brushing your teeth with a really sharp object. Now fill the void with the sealant and tap it down with the putty knife. Hey look, I'm using wood shim. Why? Because I don't want to ruin my putty knife and I'm too lazy to clean it. I kinda went a little crazy with the sealant, but hope it works. Spoiler alert, it worked.